Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to change the date and time on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen and select Settings from the menu, or press Windows and I together on your keyboard to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, look for the Time and Language option on the left-hand side and click on it. Now, select Date and Time from the options. If the setting set time automatically is enabled, you'll need to turn it off first. Click the toggle switch to disable it. Once that's done, you'll see an option called Set the Date and Time Manually. Click on the Change button under this section. A small pop-up window will appear where you can adjust the date and time. Use the drop-downs or type in the correct values for the date and time. Then click Change to save your settings. If you'd like, you can also adjust the time zone by clicking the Time Zone drop-down menu and selecting the correct one for your location. If you travel often, you can enable Set Time Zone automatically to let Windows handle it for you. And that's it. You've successfully updated the date and time on your Windows 11 PC.